everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady Lori, and welcome to those of you that are new. Welcome back to those of you that are returning subscribers. So why am I not in my beauty room? Well, because I'm doing a collab, and it is with 11 other channels, 11 other videos, 11 other wonderful ladies that are also part of this collab. So without further ado, and having you hear the same exact thing over and over again, you've got a lot of videos to go through. This is a mystery box that we purchased ourselves, for ourselves, something that we're interested in. We've never purchased for ourselves before, and I'm going to kind of just get right into it. But first, I'm going to let you know one thing, and this is kind of an important part of this collab. We are all having a giveaway. So there's 11 videos, 11 giveaways. I'm having a giveaway at the end of this video. I'm just going to show you a couple items. My items will be part skincare. They will also be part makeup. So it's going to be a combination beauty bundle is what I call them. However, you do have to be subscribed to everybody. And when we do pick our winners, we will be checking with all the other channels to make sure that you are subscribed. So make sure that you are publicly subscribed. Read the rules down in the description box. Please don't just scroll right past it and not see what's down there. We make sure our rules are put down there for a reason. So now let's get into all of this. I would also like to give a big, huge thank you, and you do an amazing job to our host, Erica and Sherry with Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. It takes a lot to put these collabs together, you guys. And you know, when you have this many people, this many videos, it takes a lot of attention. You're trying to get all these videos collected, plus you're putting together the theme and making sure everybody's okay on what date it's going to go live, what day the giveaways are going to go, that everyone's going to be able to do the giveaway. I mean, there's so many things that go into it. So I just want to say a big, huge thank you so much to Erica for having me in this collab. I greatly appreciate it. By the way, there's also a playlist down below in the description box. Once you click on it, it'll just play the next video, the next video. Come back later after you've had lunch, dinner, tomorrow. It's going to be here for a little bit. Also, when the giveaway ends, that information is down below too. I also do put, just so you know, I put information right here on the screen. It'll be on your right, on your left, my right, your left. But I do put information there that I don't have handy at the time. But welcome to all of you new people. Thank you for clicking on this video. So mine is an antique DIY arts and crafts. And these are items and kind of almost like supplies, but they're new things that you can put. If you're a crafter, if you like doing things like this with, you know, making and creating stuff, just crafters, then you're probably going to like this subscription. I did get it from Crea. It was, and I can't offhand, I did stay under the limit that we had. I think it was around $30, $35, something like that. I don't think it was over $40 that we had as a cap, as a spending limit. So I stayed under. Now, even though I looked under Crea and it was an antique DIY arts and crafts supplies or items, it came under the company Crea Crafts. And then also on the shipping label, it says Cora Lee. So came in just this little box like this, not very big. I haven't dug into it. This is what it looks like inside. I'll give you kind of an idea. So it says Cora Crea Crafts. And my deepest apologies. The other thing I'm trying to do is record in between the feedings of all of the new birdies that are out around the house. We have a ton of nests that end up around our house during baby bird season. So I kind of did this so that it would make it as a gift. So it's a one-time purchase. I sent it to myself for Mother's Day. And I did get it within 10 days, just so you know. Look at the beautiful paper. This is kind of what I'm talking about. Look at that beautiful paper. That's the stuff you can repurpose and put in a craft, you guys. And I know those of you crafters know how to do all that stuff. The May box will include a beautiful set of round topper clear stamps, large newspaper pages full of themed illustrations, an Art Nouveau floral frame stamp, an Art Deco pattern foil washi tape, and more. Okay, so it does let you know what's in the box. So this is the stamper, the wooden stamper. This is the first one right here. I don't know if you can really tell. You can't. Well, maybe right about there. Okay. And then these are the two washi rolls. You know what washi tape is, right, you guys? If you're crafters, you do. But this is the washi. Ooh, that is really pretty. They're antique. Look at this. Like antique. You could put those on like a package or a letter to somebody. Cards, you know what I mean? You could actually cut them. All kinds of ideas, you guys. It starts going through my head. And then there's this one, which is called the Sparrow, the Scream Sparrow, I think. And this one's just really antique-y. This is just the washi tape. Okay, so there's two of those. All right, let's keep on going. And then here we have this here. Trying to figure out what all this stuff is. Round topper clear stamps. Okay, a large newspaper full of an Art Nouveau floral frame stamp. Deco pattern foil. Okay, so let's start here. These are the top. Oh gosh, look at these floral stamps, you guys. And there are sheets and sheets of these. You know, these are the ones that you rub off. Oh, those are pretty. Look at those. And there's how many? 1, 2, 3. Do they have different patterns? They do. This one has netting on it. Can you see that a little bit? Let's see if I can. I don't know if you can tell. That one's got a little bit of netting on it. So they're each different patterns. Oh, those are pretty. And then you have a package of stickers. And these are raised, which I believe this is the border one. These are called clear stamps, acrylic stamp sheet. Clear stamps, also known as cling stamps. They are ideal for crafting, journaling, scrapbooking, and more. When attached to a clear block, clear stamps work similar to traditional mounted wooden stamps. Oh my gosh, okay. Wow, okay, these I have never used before. So that is awesome. Those are nice. I was wondering when they said clear stamps, I didn't really see what was in this box. These are the botanical specimens. Look at these antique, everything. You know, and considering it is an antique arts and crafts supply box, it's a subscription. It's very affordable too. Oh, those are pretty. You can do so much. It seems like a lot of what's in this box is for scrapbooking. It's kind of what I'm getting the theme of. These almost look like, it's got a leather, almost like a thing you put in your hair, and a leather. See that? They're numbered different. Maybe some of you crafters know what these are. Those of you that have used things like this. I'm just trying to figure out what some of this stuff is, you guys. I do a lot of crafting, but I get a ton of stuff from the Dollar Tree. And then I get a lot of other things from other stores. But I pick them up, you know, pick here, pick there. You know, you go to the Goodwill and you pick up things. You go to the thrift store, you pick up things. You go to the 99-cent store, you pick up things. This is very themed. It is very direct. Okay, and then there was this real pretty pouch, this velour pouch, and it has this in here, which is extremely heavy. And I'm guessing this is going to be, I don't know if you could use this but it's very possible. It's real heavy metal, and it has a slight design on it. Can you see that? I'll zoom in during editing. Can you see that? But it says it's a stamp. A round topper clear stamp. Well, there you go, you guys. So that is everything that I got in my antique arts and crafts supply box from from Cora Crea Crafts. And again, I did get this from Crate Joy, and I will put the price right here of how much it is. And then also I'll try to get as much information as I can, and it'll be on the screen for you. So what now? Well, you know, you guys, I kind of want to know what you have to say about this, because this is very interesting to me as a crafter. A lot of this stuff is new. I've never used before. Like I said, my crafting style is a little different, which is okay. But I know some of you other people that are crafters might understand some of this. You can give me some tips down below. I would greatly appreciate it. So now let's get into the last thing that you need to know here, which is that giveaway. I already mentioned that I am doing skincare, and it will be makeup. There are 5 items that are specific to go into your box. I'm going to just show you 3 of them. Don't worry about it, even though it is a bundle, a 5-item bundle. If you know anything about me, and those of you that are new are going to find out, my giveaways are loaded. I pack those boxes beyond the 5 items that I guarantee the person's going to get. Or depending on whatever the giveaway is, it might be just 1 item and I pack it around it. It might be 3 items and I pack around it. So I'm always adding a bunch of really cool stuff around those items. So hang on just a sec. Okay, so the 2 main items that are going to be in it is the Perricone MD. This is the micellar water, and it's a very thick fluid. So it's not a runny water, micellar water. It's a thicker. And this is a cleansing treatment. So it's a no rinse micellar water cleansing treatment. And then from Perricone MD, this is the vitamin C ester citrus brightening cleanser as well. These are full, big, large sizes. So there's these 2. And then the 3rd item is from Kitsch Beauty. This is the satin sleep set. This does come with the pillowcase, the eye mask, and the little pretty scrunchie so you don't tear your hair out when you sleep, like when you do something like this, and it doesn't, you know, rip your hair out. So those are the 3 main items that are going to go inside your box, and then the other 2 will be 2 makeup items. And then, as I mentioned, I just pack around it. So, all right, you guys, let me know what you thought of my mystery box, my arts and crafts, antique arts and crafts supplies. Let me know. Just do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button before you take off. Don't forget, you must be subscribed to all 11 channels. You must be subscribed to all, and we will verify when we pick our winner. All right, you guys, thanks for hanging out with me for just a little bit. I greatly appreciate it. And now I'm going to send you on over to the next video. Take care, you guys. Bye.